everything changes.
Here we go! Here we go!
All right, guys, timing runs are up. Timing runs up. Sean, do me a favor and stand down on this one. Jay Lynch, are you set?
Ready, ready, lock and loaded.
Loaded. Brianna, how about you?
Ready to go.
Here we go, guys. Here we go. Speed run number 1. Ready in 3, 2, 1, go. Spot on. Dude, nice, guys. Let's reset. Let's do the second one. All right, guys, run number 2. Jay Lynch, you set?
Yes, sir.
Are you ready?
Ready, ready.
All right, guys, number 2, same thing. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Ryan, can you report? Spot on. Hey, Keith, just a little under. That's great. So, Brianna, Jay, unless there's any objections, let's do it.
Copy that, heading to 1.
Let's go to 1, guys, this is it. Go to 1 and cinch the belts down.
Good luck, Dad.
Here we go, folks. Stand by. Waiting for the thumbs up. If we get the thumbs up, we're locked up and ready to roll. Thumbs are up. Here we go. It's for real, guys. Keeping it clear. On your call, Jay Fry.
All right, guys, this is it. Here we go. Sean Graham, you ready?
Nope.
Sean, sorry, is that a yes?
No, the car shut down.
Stand by. Let's get Sean looking at that. In the meantime, Joe, are you set?
Yes, sir, ready, ready.
Okay, great. Brianna? Great, stand by. Let's get a report on Sean.
I'm good. It's up and running. Ready, ready.
Sure, we'll try it.
All right, guys. Marvin, we are set. Let me know when we're locked.
We are locked. Here we go.
Have some fun, you two. Come on.
On you, Jay Fry.
All right, guys. Anyone not ready? Here it is. Have a nice flight, guys. Here we go. 3, 2, 1.